So it's the next day. I don't know if you guys can see me. We're gonna go ahead and restore the headlights. Today it's the next day, it's a new day. The 5-lock conversion, I'm so sorry guys. That day that I was doing the 5-lock conversion, it was like a lot of people was here, so I couldn't really do much. They kept stopping me when I was recording, but you know, it is what it is, you know, no complaining. It's done, the 5-lock is done, so now we're going to do the headlights. I'm gonna start, you see how they look like? I'm gonna show you guys, let's get closer. Look, it's yellow, and I already sanded this one already, as you guys can see. So, this is what the car's looking like. I think I'm going to paint the fender just because I'm tired of looking at the car like that. I'm not sure. As you guys can see, it's been raining. Luckily the weather's been like, right now it's about 78 degrees. I don't know what's going on, weather change. But yeah. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm just going to try to see if we can get it done. I'm not so sure if I should paint the fender, because if you guys notice, like most of the car, it's already like, you know, one color. And I really want to paint the bumper. I want to do some body work, fix that. Paint the whole bumper again, and paint the hood as well, where the some of the bondo chipped off from the scoop, from the airband. So I don't know if I should wait, but today what I'm going to do today for sure is that I'm going to go ahead and take the headlights out and sand them down and clear coat them, because I'm tired of looking at them like that.
And I made your way, give you things you never had. Champagne, bubble bath, presidential suite. He tell me, can you handle that? I came from nothing, now the whole thing changed. Pockets swelling out with hundreds, VIP when we arrange. Keep it ghetto, keep it gutter, show you how to flip a dollar. Separate the mutts from the pit bulls and rock wallets for my...
Alright, so we got the headlights out. If you guys can see, got the headlights out. This is the bow cover from the other engine that came out of this car, the engine that was bad. If you guys been following the channel, you know which engine it is. I'm going to paint it. I don't know what colors I have available, so it might be black, gray, I don't know. I have to check what paints I have available. But the bow cover on that looks like crap. It looks just like this. You guys want to see? I'm gonna show you guys. Go ahead, open the hood up. Kevin gonna open the hood. There you go, look. It looks like crap too. Pretty ugly. That gotta go, I don't like it. I'm gonna paint this too. I'm debating on painting it because it's a goldish color and I'm not really feeling that either. I want this to match with the bow cover. So, we're gonna take it out, we're gonna sand it down, and we're also gonna, you can lower it down. Don't shut it all the way. Okay, that's fine. So, we're gonna get all this ready. We're gonna sand it down and get it ready for paint and clear coat. This one, We already sanded it down, but we're gonna sand it again, so make it more wider. And yeah, stay tuned, okay? So we're gonna hit this with 600 grit, and we're gonna hit that with 600 grit. So I'm pretty sure you guys would be able to know how to do it now, right? I don't think you guys want to see the whole sanding because it's gonna bore you, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stop the video here, and then I'll be back when I'm clear coating them and painting them, okay? All right then. So the weather is not pretty good here in Georgia today. It's kind of breezy, so for you to paint you need like around 70 and above, but we do whatever we can do. I'm not too happy with the headlights, how they came out, but however the bow cover and the strut bar came out pretty good. Check this out. And there you have it. You have made it to the end of the vlog and end of the video, however you want to call it. I will see you guys on the next one. All right, peace.